Hi folks, Jason here at Leisure Time Sales. Taking a look today at a 2018 Clipper 806 XLS hardtop camper. A couple features on the outside. You can see the Dinette awning is included in this one. A lot of times in trade-ins these get lost, so nice to have that there. Both slide outs are out and this one's all set up. We've got the jacks down nice and stable, so let's take a look inside this beautiful unit. Everything in wonderful shape inside. You've got a bunk here at the end, lighting feature over top, so that's going to brighten things up. You do have a spot to sit and have a bite to eat here. You can also drop this down if you need some additional sleeping space. So you basically could sleep, depending on the size of the kids, you could get up to 6 people in here sleeping comfortably. The other bunk end here, kitchen setup, you've got a hot and cold water running sink. You've got the 2-burner cooktop, some storage there. That's of course going to flip over when you store it. Some more storage here to the right just as you walk into the unit. Storage underneath here, fully functioning furnace. More storage here to the right with the drawer storage. For your safety, there is of course a smoke detector included. We've got a propane detector as well, so your safety features are intact. Now a couple things we just like to highlight. Very clean, very comfortable unit. A little bit of this staining you see in the canvas is fairly common. They have been cleaned, scrubbed to make sure that that's not going to be a growing mold issue, but it is, again, with the canvas sided trailer, you're going to see some of this, but this one comes to us again in great shape. So this has been a look at the 2018 Clipper 806 XLS here in the lot at Leisure Time Sales in Coachmen Clipper. Beautiful hardtop camper, comes to us in great shape, just a shade over 1,500 pounds and just under 120 on the hitch. So if you're able to get out and tow this with just about anything really, get out camping with the family, enjoy yourself, come check it out, folks. Leisure Time Sales, Coachmen Clipper. Our friends up at Leisure Time Sales in Moncton have some beautiful units for you as well. Would love to see you in this great unit, out camping, enjoying, making memories with your family.